Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Santosh. In today's video, I will teach you basics of HTML. Okay, let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is you want to create a folder where you want to put your HTML. Let's open the editor. I am using something called as VS Studio Code. Over here, what I want to do is I want to open a file here. Before that, if you don't have a file created, I will show you how to create a file. Just click on File, New File, and you will get this dialog. Go ahead and save this file to the place where you want. In this case, I will go with this particular folder called as VS Code Snippets. Here I will create a new file. I will call this HTML1 for my reference, and I will just create a file called heading.html. All the HTML files have the extension .html. Okay. In this case, the name of the file is heading. Let's go ahead and save this. So now we have a file which is called as heading.html. You might ask, what is .html? I just explained you every HTML code is written in .html file or .htm file. I created a HTML file and I wrote the code. Now, let me show you the basic structure of HTML document. This is the basic structure of something called as HTML5 document. Inside the body, today I will be teaching you heading tags. Let's get to it. There is the first one which is called as H1. I will just write welcome to YouTube. I will just write YouTube tutorials. YouTube tutorials. And after writing the H1 tag, we want to see how it looks. So to see how it looks, you have to open that particular folder. In this case, I will just say Revel in Explorer, and I will go to that directory and double click that file. Now, as you can see, the H1 says YouTube tutorials. H1 will make the font bold and big, as you can see. The next thing that I will show you is the H2 tag. The H2 tag is a little smaller than the H1 tag. I will just type my name. This is called as opening HTML tag, and this is called as closing HTML tag. Whatever you write in between the opening tag, for example H2 opening, H2 closing, will come inside, will be displayed on the browser. Here on the browser it is saying tutorials by Santosh Jargowden. That is H2 tag. Now I will teach you H3 tag. H3 tag is a little smaller than the H2 tag. Okay. Now as you can see, the H3 tag is smaller than the H1 and H2. It is the third smallest. Then we have H4 tag. I will show you what that is. So H4 tag is smaller when compared to the H1, H2, H3, and that is H4. Now, as the numbers like We can go up to H6. I will show you the H5 tag now. And lastly, I will show you H6 tag. So as you can see, the tags, we can go up to H6 in HTML file or HTML. So that is H1 tag, that is H2 tag, that is H3 tag, that is H4 tag, H4 element, that is H5 element, that is H6 element. Tag is nothing but this. For example, this is called as the tag. H6 is the tag, that is opening tag. H6 forward slash or forward leaning slash and H6 is the closing tag. So both of them together make something called as the element. H6 is the element, H5 is the element, H4 is the element, H3 is the element. Similarly, H2 is the element and H1 is the element. The H1 element, whatever you write in between H1 element will be displayed so big. It will be displayed in big. Whatever you write in H2 element will be displayed like this. Whatever you display in H4 element, H5 element, H4 element, H6 element will be displayed like this. So as you can see, H6 is very small. It is tiny. H5 is a little smaller than little bigger than H6. H4 is bigger. H3 is bigger than H4, H5, and H6. And then H2 is bigger. H1 is used for titles usually. Then this is for subtitles, and all these tags are there that you can use. So thank you so much. If you like this video, please share this video so that other people can learn the basics of HTML. In the next tutorial, I will cover images. Thank you so much for watching.